Using text-to-pay on the mobile or desktop app is incredibly easy when requesting payment for specific products. With just a few clicks, you can send a payment request to your customers via text message or email, providing them with a secure way to make a payment. The app also allows you to quickly send an invoice link to the contact to pay it, making it simpler to track and manage payments from a single platform. This feature is particularly useful for small businesses, freelancers, and anyone who needs to collect payments quickly and efficiently.
Log into your account, you will see various features and tools on the left sidebar. We are going to start by opening the Payments tab. This tab defaults to open your account invoices, but we're actually going to start by clicking on the Integrations tab.
We are starting here because before you can collect any payments, you have to connect one or more payment gateways. On the desktop app, you can request a payment by clicking on the currency icon when creating an SMS or email message to an individual contact. On the mobile app, you can click the plus symbol when writing a message response to view this pop-up and choose the request payment option. You can customize your products, prices, and due dates. Once you send the link, the contact can use the link to pay or review the request. By using text-to-pay, you can streamline your payment process, reduce the risk of late or missed payments, and provide a better experience for your customers.
That's it! Make sure to follow any lesson instructions below and mark this as complete to keep moving forward.